This is my proposal for CAP 6135 final project, and I'm calling it the ARDIANS RAT. This will be a remote access Trojan to steal electronic dental records, obviously for academic purposes. ARDIANS is my electronic dental software that I developed over a decade ago, but it was never deployed, and it was never finished. So I went ahead and finished that earlier this semester, and I called it then Advanced Rendering Dental Interactive New Software. Now, Ardian is the name of my brother, so I made his name fit into the acronym. RAT is a remote access Trojan, and GUI is graphical user interface. Okay, so what I'm proposing to do is a RAT, remote access Trojan, to exfiltrate electronic dental records. Now, I came up with this idea because I got a letter from my dermatologist, and basically the dermatologist told me that all my electronic medical records have been exfiltrated and compromised. And when I started this class this semester, I was like, haha, that will be a great idea for a final project. So I wrote a quick letter to my professor, and I asked him, hey, would this be a good idea? And the professor said, okay. And therefore, that's what I am proposing here. So first thing I did was finish up the RDN software, which was originally written in Java. So I just went ahead and finished it so it's all completely functional. And next, what I did was, here I'm describing how the dental records are actually stored on the server. And they're stored as flat files, which is perfectly fine. That's how I originally designed it, and that's how I'm going to keep it. So the idea is to steal these files. The RDN's GUI itself is just a Java Swing library, and it has custom buttons for the graphical part of the electronic dental records. So custom round buttons and custom polygon segmented buttons. That was actually, I was quite proud how I developed that at the time. But obviously the reason why I ended up not using this for my brother's dental clinic is because the electronic dental record software that I developed was already obsolete instantly, because all the other competitors were using three-dimensional graphics, and here I am where it looks very 1990s. But for educational purposes and to develop my own skills in writing Java applications, which I ended up using those skills professionally in my job, that was very useful for that purpose. And obviously it's useful for the purposes of this class to exploit this electronic dental software. And this is how the software looks like. This is a very quick screenshot here. And basically when you press a button, it changes colors. And that means something to dentists. I'm not exactly sure. I believe solid colors are anchors, and then when it's segmented like this is the different parts of the tooth, and the bridge is obviously a bridge, and you build the bridge using the buttons up here. But this final project is not about this software. It's about stealing the data from this software, the electronic dental records of the fake patients like Bud Smith. So yeah, in January I finished up ARDIANS, so I can successfully start writing the RAT and any accompanying software to be able to exfiltrate this data. And this is the letter that I received from the dermatologist. This is a little snippet of that letter. And as you can see, they lost my data, and not too long ago. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.